Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Shiba Inu will be worth way more than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Shiba Inu News. After getting listed on Robinhood, Shiba Inu has progressed really well. Whale activity has increased and more new and old whales are purchasing Shib tokens. Whale activity towards the coin increased gradually as interactions with the token spiked. In addition to buying activity, Bitcoin fell below $26,000 for the first time in 16 months amid a broader sell-off in cryptocurrencies that erased more than $200 billion from the entire market in a single day. According to Coinmetrics, the price of Bitcoin plunged as low as $25,401.29 on Thursday. That marks the first time the cryptocurrency has sunk below the $26,000 level since December 26, 2020. Bitcoin has since pared its losses and was last trading at $28,569.25, down 2.9%. Ethereum, the second biggest digital currency, tanked to as low as $1,704.05 per coin. It's the first time the token has fallen beneath the $2,000 mark since June 2021. Ether was last down 8.8% at a price of $1,937.88. Investors are fleeing from cryptocurrencies at a time when stock markets have plunged from the highs of the coronavirus pandemic on fears over soaring prices and a deteriorating economic outlook. In this video, we will talk about if Shiba Inu will be worth more than the king of the crypto market, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. One potential way to determine how high Shiba Inu could go is to examine how other cryptocurrencies have fared after being listed on Robinhood. The trading platform rolled out support for Bitcoin 0.31% and Ethereum 0.33% on January 25, 2018 in select markets. However, Shiba Inu fans won't find much to like with these historical precedents. After a relatively small bounce, both Bitcoin and Ethereum proceeded to sink over the next couple of months following their listings on Robinhood. Between the March 2020 pandemic through the January 2022, the stock market delivered what might be its strongest bounce from a bear market bottom in history. Despite this historic rebound, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market over the past 2 years. According to data from CoinMarketCap.com, the aggregate value of all digital currencies has soared by more than $1.7 trillion since March 2020, equating to an increase of better than 1,150%. While Bitcoin and Ethereum logically receive a lot of credit for this move, they comprise a combined 60.5% of aggregate crypto market value on a combined basis. Shiba Inu played a key role in driving new investors into cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu's lure within the crypto community has a lot to do with its huge return in 2021. On January 1, 2021, a single Shib token set investors back a microscopic $0.00000000073. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens were changing hands at $0.0000088. Removing 6 zeros after the decimal point resulted in an intra-year gain of more than 121,000%. Shiba Inu delivered gains of 46 million%. By the end of the year, investors would have been millionaires who put a couple of dollars to work at midnight on January 1, 2021. Shiba Inu's historic rally came to be due to increased visibility, social media momentum, and crypto market dynamics. Shiba Inu was listed on numerous new crypto exchanges last year in terms of the former. Also, decentralized exchange Shiba Swap was launched in July, improving liquidity and allowing holders to stake their coins to earn passive income. Compared to last year, Shiba Inu has a lot more going for it. Shiba Swap has dramatically increased the median hold period of Shib on leading crypto exchange Coinbase Global. It's also presumably nearing the launch of Shibarium, which doesn't have a set release date for the public. But despite all these positives, there is the impossible task of supporting a $5.49 trillion market dollar value if $0.01 were to hit. Online business directory Cryptwork listed just 659 merchants accepting Shib for payment as of April 26, 2022. Keep in mind there are more than 32 million businesses in the US alone. It will also be difficult for Shiba Inu to burn enough coins to have a meaningful impact on its token price. Making a dent into 549 trillion circulating tokens will take a long time, except for Bitcoin, popular payment and protocol tokens with at least 20,000% short-term gains retraced by 93% within 2 years after their respective peaks. Considering that Shib gained 121 million% in less than 10 months in 2021, the massive reversion is likely already underway. The bull case for Bitcoin is straightforward. It was the first widely adopted cryptocurrency, and it remains the most popular by a wide margin. In fact, with a market cap of $765 billion, Bitcoin accounts for 41% of the value of all cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Bitcoin is limited to 21 million tokens, and any economics textbook will tell you that scarcity makes an asset valuable. More to the point, when demand for a scarce asset rises, the price of that asset will rise as well. ARK Invest believes Bitcoin will achieve a market cap of $28.5 trillion by 2030. If that happens, each Bitcoin would be worth about $1.36 million, implying 33-fold gains from its current price of $41,000. Previously, Shiba Inu tokens were being removed from circulation using a burning mechanism. You can now be rewarded for doing the same thing, thereby allowing the holders of Shib a passive income opportunity. The Shiba Burn portal will allow you to send your Shib tokens to a remote crypto wallet address, the details of which will not be saved. This means that once the Shib crypto tokens are sent to this wallet address, they can never be retrieved and gone forever. Our hope is that with every burn, the wealth of the community grows, but also by rewarding the effort in the long term to make Shiba Inu one of the best digital assets in the history of cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu developers said in a blog post. The creator of Shiba Inu, Ryoshi, has created another token called the Ryoshi's Vision token. According to the blog post, if you burn Shib tokens, you will receive a reward in Ryoshi Vision tokens. Another critical factor for Shiba Inu's long-term success is the Shibarium. Shiba Inu is the ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. While Ethereum is trusted and time-tested, its popularity leads to network congestion and exceptionally high transaction fees. Shibarium's primary goal is to reduce transaction fees significantly. Aside from Shibarium making Shib a more palatable payment option for merchants, the purpose of lowering transaction fees is to spur a crypto ecosystem where Shib and other coins native to decentralized exchange Shiba Swap are used to facilitate transactions. This includes selling digital plots of land in its own version of the metaverse and developing non-fungible token-based gaming. NFT and digital land marketplaces can't exist until transaction costs come way down. The final part of the formula needed for Shib to hit $1 is a social media push, as we've never witnessed before. To send the price of a Shiba Inu token soaring 43,800,000% to $10.65 from $0.00025 today, the supply of Shiba Inu tokens would have to shrink from 589 trillion to just 1.33 billion. That assumes its current price valuation of $14.6 billion remains constant the entire time. In other words, 99.9998% of all Shiba Inu tokens currently in circulation would have to be burned. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.